everybody, this is Melanie. Welcome back to Crafting Chaos with Melanie. I hope everybody's doing good today. Today's video is just going to be a recap of the week. I just got home from work and I'm a little tired, so I might babble a little bit. I'll try not to. But I thought it'd be cool to come on and show you some things that I finished up this week and doing things with other people that I don't necessarily do on camera. And one of those things is I am a part of Frances's Your Book of Memories. And I've been in her paid group now for several years. And she does mini albums. And you guys know how much I love mini albums. So I wanted to show you a mini album that I made with her this week. I used Simple Vintage Holly Jolly by Simple Stories. And I use Simple Vintage Basic Kit cardstock that matches it, okay? And what was so cool about this mini album is it's quick. It is a quick mini album that comes together. It holds 4x6 photos, vertical and horizontal. And with the Simple Stories, I should be able to get at least 2 more albums. I should be able to get 3 albums out of this. Look at this, how cute. This is the cutest little book. It's a 6.5 by 6.5. Yeah, it's 6.5 by 6.5. And I just let the paper do the work. This is actually the paper. And I added a few stickers to embellish it just a little bit. I added that Mary, I added the hearts. And I think that was it, yeah. And then you open it up and look at this. You have 4x6 photos here and 4x6 photos here. So on this side, these are horizontal. And she called this a pinwheel, so it just flips out. Look at that. And then you flip it up. And here's a pocket. And I put some cut aparts, and I'm sure I'll put some more stuff in here. I'm doing these as gifts. This is the vertical. So the portrait side. Always stay holly and jolly. Look at that Santa, how cute. And then this has a pocket as well. Look how cute that album is. Now you're talking about a cute album. Simple album. Oh, I loved it. And I only used 2 sheets of 12 by 12 and a little part of another sheet. And that's it. That's all I used. So can't wait to finish these up. I'm doing several more of these for gifts. So I did do that this week. Something that I did at Craft Acropolis, I wanted to show you. I used the Simple Stories Cider and Donuts. I used the paper collection. Actually, this is the kit collection. And it had frames in it and cut aparts and stickers, all the pretty things. I do have quite a bit of it left, and I will try to finish that up. But this is a pre-made album that I got from May. I don't remember the company off the top of my head. I can't think of their name. But this is a really thick chipboard album, and it came together so quickly. I'm going to Charleston for Thanksgiving, so I wanted to have an album, so I put this together. So all I did is I used the paper and the stickers and the cut aparts. So this is a pocket where I can do whatever I want. 3x4 photos, and I did leave everything open so I could add the photos to it. This would just slide in this way. Make it simple. And between each page, I use the cut aparts for some visual interest. I just think that's so cute. I can never leave anything just plain. And if you notice, when you look throughout the book, each page is mirrored. So they're very similar in the way they're made and the paper that I used. Here's for 4x6, and I use the 2x2 cut aparts. I use the 4x6 cut apart here, 4x6, and the flowers are from the paper that I actually fussy cut out. Here I did 2 pockets, and I used the cut aparts and made a little booklet. I love doing this, little booklets. And flipped it over. And then here I did the same thing. I think this is probably my favorite page. I love this cut apart. I just think the flow of this page is beautiful. I love it. And these tags do come out, so I can journal on them. Oh, I love these. Look at that little squirrel, how cute. All right. And then on the back, It's not a mini album that I make without a waterfall. I mean, I'm obsessed with them. And these are perfectly made for 3x4 photos. And then another part of this album that I actually fell in love with was how I did the stickers here. I just did a collage of the stickers right there. Look how cute that is. I love that. And there's the back. So I got that one done too. I'm still working on all my vintage books. I got some really cool ideas in the comments of this video. I will link this video below because there's something special going on with it. So I'm finishing these up. I got all the stuff cut and ready to put all of them together. Let's see, what else did I do? Oh, I finished my, I think they're calling it kind of a Christmas agenda. I finished this up except for decorating the outside, and I'll do that. From Crafticropolis. This was May's class. It's got a lot of room in it where you can put receipts or just, you know, whatever you want to do for Christmas this year. I love this. This came together so easy, and I love it. And I love this paper pad. I'm so glad that I got some more. She had them, and I think she sold out of them, but they're not like stark white, and I love that. I love this paper pad. And then you just flip that over. Look how cute. And this does come out. I love this. I think this is so cute. So I did that this week. Finished that. This. And working on these. So you can imagine what my desk looks like. And I did get a little crafty something in the mail this week. I got me some frames from Pinkbrush Studio, and I wanted to show you these. These are gorgeous. These are absolutely gorgeous. These are called Nested Hexagon Blanket Stitched Dies. Look at these, how pretty. I cannot wait to use these. I cannot wait. And then I got these, and these are just bracket dies. It's the same stitch. They call it the blanket stitch. And this is perfect, I think, for layering on a mini album. I want to show you this one. Let me take this little mini album here. Look at this. It perfectly. If you want to do some cuts, pockets, shakers. I mean, there's so much you can do with these. I love these. So I got these in this week that I want to play with. And something else is not in the video. I also tea stained and coffee stained some more paper because I ran out. And I hadn't done it in a while. So I did some coffee stained paper. I think I did around 50 sheets, 50, 60 sheets. So I have been busy this week. No wonder I'm tired. Oh, and there's little Kitty making her little debut. Oh my goodness, she's a cutie. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. This was quick. Oh my goodness, was that this I need to go to bed, y'all. This was just a quick video to show you some things that I worked on and maybe give you a little bit of inspiration. I will be back this following week, doing a lot more projects. I've got 3 projects off to the side that I'm working on for videos, and I can't wait to bring those to you. Guys, I hope you have a great rest of the weekend. Remember to give me a like, comment, and subscribe, and you guys have a great day. Until next week, bye.